The next type of switch that we'll talk about is a slide switch. A slide switch is one where you slide it, it's on, you slide it back the other way, it's off. I made a slide switch using 3 paper fasteners and a little bit of cardstock. Here it is. 2 of the paper fasteners, these 2, are the fixed contacts. Notice how I put them so that the legs don't touch each other. The 3rd paper fastener, which is inserted the opposite way, this one is the slider. When I slide it, it touches both contacts. And now the switch is closed. When I slide it back like that, the switch is open. Closed, open, on, off.